Hello kids! Let's make repeating patterns. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's make a pattern. Circle, star, circle, star, circle, star, circle. So we have made a repeating pattern. Let's finish this repeating pattern. So we have a circle, square, circle. Which shape do you think is going to come next? Square, well done. So we have circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. Well done. Now we're going to use actions to make a pattern. So we have jump, clap, jump, clap, jump, clap, jump. Now we have a rocket and a moon. Rocket and a moon. Which object's going to come next? Is it going to be the moon or rocket? Let's have a look. Rocket, well done. Rocket, moon, rocket, moon, rocket, moon, rocket. Well done. Rocket, moon, rocket, moon, rocket, moon, rocket. That is another repeating pattern. Well done. Now we have an orange and a banana. Orange. Which fruit's going to come next? Is it going to be orange or banana? Well done. Banana. Orange, banana, orange, banana. Well done. Oh, we have thumb up, thumb down, thumb up, thumb down, thumb up. Well done. Oh, we have a different pattern here. So we have a circle, circle, square, and a circle. I wonder which shape's going to come next. Do you think it's going to be square or a circle? It's a circle. Well done. So we have a circle, circle, square, circle, circle. Which shape is going to come next? Square. Circle, circle, square, circle, circle. Well done. We have rocket, and two moons. One rocket and two moons. Moon, do you think we're going to have one moon or two moons? Well done. It's two moons because we have one rocket, two moons, and then one rocket, two moons. A rocket. Two moons and a rocket. Well done. One orange, two bananas. One orange. Do you think we're going to have two bananas or one banana? One. Two bananas. Well done. One orange, two bananas. Orange, banana, banana. Orange, banana, banana. Orange. Well done. Now, if you look around, you will see loads of pattern around you. We can see this hat with pattern on it. We have zigzag and flowers on it. We have a jumper who's got patterns. We have a stripy pattern over here. So loads of patterns around you. Now that you know how to make patterns, you can make your own patterns. You can get things in the house. You can make patterns out of fork, spoon. You can make a pattern out of that. Or you can go outside and create a pattern out of leaf and sticks. So you can have a leaf, a stick, leaf, a stick, leaf, a stick. Or you can make a pattern out of a socks and shoes. So you can collect your socks and shoes and make a pattern out of it. You can make a pattern out of anything. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.